What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Just a quick little disclaimer before I start this video. This video was fully licensed, legal and supervised, and you should not try this at home or without a license or a permit, and I hope you enjoy.
Shot.
Yeah.
That's my bag, let's go.
All who know why hear me talk can't stop me career. Fight it, me the well here. You can't try kill a man, you can't kill him right there. So says the great Che of here. In my town where me grow, you can't have no fear. Coward no live round here. Office stand firm, to survive and defend your share. The burden, the brave must bear. So me got some things and times will tell. So you got to learn your lessons well. Someone live in a mansion, them again.
Good news and bad news. The bad news is that the morning shoot rained out and I ended up with 4 birds. I didn't get any clips because it was rainy and full of mosquitoes and bugs. But the evening shoot was a completely different thing.
We don't got no fear, got to be prepared. For this land, I will forever care.
That's why I'm still so.
You're joking.
Cause we escape from a place where it seem like poverty embrace you. You are try winning at the race when your look is a police a chase you. And a beer gunshot, them a spray, don't think them a miss you. Now court case you, them a waste you. These are just the facts of life that each man tries to maximize. And meanwhile some will fantasize of who they can't be, they patronize. ¿De dónde vengo yo? ¿De dónde vengo yo? Oh. ¿De dónde vengo yo?
Yeah? No.
¿De dónde vengo yo?
Weird. There's that guy over there. I just see my pop bird.
We don't got no fear.
Like right by the dead limb where I showed you. Like a little behind it.
For this land, I will forever
serious?
care.
Oh.
Dime de qué vale en que vive en una mansión. Si no tienes una buena intención en tu corazón, que el dinero no vale nada y la vida en un ratico se acaba. Algunos lo tienen todo y no tienen panas. Se tiran la vida por la ventana.
Yes.
No importa el medio hablando
Finally.
el Rolls Royce.
Oh my
Con quien salir fines de semana. Mejor dicho sí.
Yes.
Un par de
Full
amigos
of.
falsos sobran por ahí.
He dropped it there.
Que dicen que a ti te quieren por lo que tienes. Ser humano eso le conviene, no. ¿De dónde vengo yo?
My people.
¿De dónde vengo yo?
Fell in here.
¿De dónde vengo yo?
Oh wow, thank you. Yay! Number 1 bird man, oh shit.
We don't
The
got
sun
no fear.
is
Got to
like
be
very
prepared.
close to going down.
For
2
this
more
land,
birds.
I will
Just
forever
number 1 bird
care.
man, Oshin. That's my bag, let's go. Yes! Yes! Yeah! Oh. Yes. Are we taking a picture? You know, see the sun perfect. I shot the birds at the perfect time, you know. Get the perfect sunset. Yeah, I think we're wrong.
So when I'm down, I play a good song. You and your negative vibes around me
not the
now
right way.
working. I hope this feeling does last for a little while. Coming off a nice time for so long. Catch a vibe, just watch out for bad mind them lurking. Ready for broke your vibes again. Full of meds, love your life, it's a gift, yeah. Get the meds, grind it up, full of spliff, yeah. Do something now, we make you enjoy life. Me telling enjoy life and stop carry feelings, cause I'm steady holding firm. But you want another tip, so what you did is don't even know you no more. You're too bad, mind. You sell your soul just to get.
Oh, shit.
That's it for this episode. I really hope you enjoyed. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and also turn on notifications because weekend 3 is coming out soon, and I'm telling you that one's going to be really great. I had one of the best shoots there, and I'll see you guys in the next one.